In today's financial landscape, your credit score plays a crucial role in shaping your financial future. Let's delve into why having a good credit score is so important. Your credit score is essentially a numerical representation of your financial trustworthiness. Lenders, whether for a credit card, mortgage, or car loan, use this score to evaluate the risk of lending money to you. A higher credit score often translates to lower interest rates. When you have a good credit score, lenders see you as a responsible borrower and are more likely to offer you favorable terms. This can save you thousands of dollars over the life of a loan,